Back at his garage coming at you today. And here we have our 2014 GMC Sierra. This process will probably work for the Silverado also. What we're going to be doing today is changing our camera back here. So our camera back here, when we put this vehicle in reverse, looks very, very crappy. It's very crappy and blurry. So here in the box, we have our new camera, which I forgot where this is ordered from. This is the new backup camera. It is an OEM replacement. As you can see, it's got the hook in there. It's got two screws that'll hold it in. So we'll have to go through the process of removing the old one, which we're gonna start by removing this here panel. It's got about 10 or 12 torque screws. I believe they're T15s. So we're about to get to it. All right, we got all our screws out. So we're gonna remove this plastic cover. Now, all those are out. There's a metal cover here. Need to move this out of the way. And it's already unscrewed because the screws that go through the plastic cover go right through this. So we're gonna slide this bad boy out of the way as well. And take a look. So, looks like this is probably our camera right here. Let's take a look here. Yep, that's our old camera right there. So we'll have to see how do we get this camera mechanism out. Hopefully we don't have to remove the entire latch system here, but it's possible we may have to. All right guys, if you look down in here, you'll see two hex screws, or shall I say two torque screws. Those are T20s. Those are holding the camera down in there. So it looks like we don't have to remove the whole latch system. So we're gonna go ahead and unscrew those two. And then we're gonna figure out where this wire goes. All right, we are under the truck. Here's our hitch and a tire. So we're trying to figure out where the camera plugs into. And it's the braided wire. It's just this plug right here. This is the one that goes through the tailgate. So we're gonna unplug this and then figure out how to fish our new wire through. This is gonna be fun. All right, we've disconnected everything from the bottom. So now we got our old camera taken apart. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut this wire and wrap our new wire, tape it to it. You better pull it through because it's gotta go through here and come out through this end and go into this hole so we can go and get plugged in. And it's not an easy way to get your hand through there, because if this panel came off, it would be simple. So we're gonna go ahead and tape it, pull it so we can get the cord through here, then we can fish it through the hole. All right, so we're back under. As you can see, we fished our new wire through. So we're gonna pull it in some more, get the excess. There's a couple clips up here. Just gonna run this wire through that clip. It's like a little wire, I don't know what you wanna call it, organizer. Then we're gonna take off our tape and plug our plug back in right here. There it is. We put in our new plug, pushed out our little lock tab, and make sure this snapped when you pushed it in so it doesn't come back out. Then we're gonna go upstairs, make sure our camera is plugged in snugly, and then we're gonna start the car up and put it in reverse and see how it looks. All right, we're gonna start her up. Put it in reverse. Oh, look at that. That is way better. The other camera was so blurry and crappy. That's awesome. All right, so that's it. So now all we gotta do is just button the back of it up, button up the tailgate. We're gonna put our screws back in. And I don't know if I said T15 earlier, but these screws that go in here that hold this area down, that was using T20 Torx. So we're gonna go ahead and put our plate back in, set that on, and put our plastic cover over the top and screw everything back in. Yeah, but that's it. It was a pretty simple process. But yeah, we got a few more things we're gonna be doing on here. So look out for some more videos on the Sierra. And thanks for watching, like and subscribe. Catch you later. Peace.